Hell yeah. That was pretty lame. Yeah, so this is what I got. What? What? And right now it's so quiet, but like when it was 12, it was just madness in here. It was so crazy that you won't even believe it. It was crazy. Like you couldn't even hear me talking. Like it was so crazy. I try capture something which I can. I'm not sure. It used to be like over there and over there. And there was like firework right over there. But it was like it blew up or something. Didn't even manage to like fly up, so just bang. It was crazy. And let's try some other things here.